Guys, my name is Master. Just gonna let you know I got a package from Amazon, sponsored by Amazon, and a wireless headset. Unfortunately, my headset got for some reason, my wireless headset it's not working. I don't know why. I try and click the button, and it's not really working no more because every time I hold it for about 50 minutes, it's not even working. So I had to get a new one. For $30, and also I am not leaving YouTube. What happened? A lot of people were saying I was going to leave YouTube. I'm not leaving, so I'm staying on. So yes, Amazon box right here. So a knife. So it looks like wrapping, and this is what I got. How you pronounce this? Nanaml, I think that's the name of it. Nanaml. So, sponsored by Nanaml. Oh, cool. Oh, okay. So it's big wireless. This black thing. I think it's supposed to be over your neck or something like that. So you do this. Every type of headphones are very different. So the different type of headphone set. So I want to try how it does it and all that. So basically you get this. So the sound quality is pretty good so far. I forgot to test these, so sorry I lied. Sound pretty quality is pretty good. It's not bad. So that is my unboxing headset. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it and stay awesome, stay cool, and see you guys in the next video. Master out. Peace.